In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a subdomain in Hostinger step by step so you can create something like blog.yoursite.com in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you want to build a blog, a store, a support page, or a separate section of your website without buying a whole new domain. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, you'll see your main dashboard. From here, look for the Websites section and click on it. This is where Hostinger keeps all of the websites connected to your account. Next, find the website you want to add the subdomain to and click Dashboard next to that site. That will open the management area for your specific domain and hosting settings. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Domains menu. Click on Domains and then choose Subdomains. This is the section where you can create and manage subdomains for your website. Now you'll see an option to add a new subdomain. In the subdomain field, type the name you want to use. For example, if you want a blog section, you can type blog. Hostinger will usually combine that with your main domain automatically, so it becomes something like blog.yoursite.com. Take a moment to make sure the subdomain name is short, clear, and easy to remember, because this is what visitors will type or see in links. After entering the name, double-check that everything looks correct, then click Create. Hostinger will now set up the subdomain for you. In most cases, this happens very quickly, and once it's created, you can start using it for a separate part of your website. After that, you can upload content, install WordPress, or point the subdomain to a specific folder depending on what you want to build. If you're creating a blog, a landing page, or a members area, this is a great way to organize your site more professionally. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a subdomain in Hostinger. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials, and comment below if you want a full guide on setting up WordPress on a subdomain next.